Swing.
Lovely, Brian. That. We did more fast dancing. And it was fast. It was fast.
You did a really great job.
We did those forward swing outs fast. Brian gave you another tip of how to make them more comfortable.
So last week we were talking about, we had been connecting here like a normal swing out. Today we shifted that connection a little bit lower, and we found that I find it's really stable and really helps with that forward feeling.
We really ask you to get flatter. You really can't be running around each other when the tempos are fast and followers turn. Remember this exercise from level 1?
Way back in the day.
Yeah, this is how you economize. Another way to economize was the
Chin to forward. Yeah. So we did this little rock step, hop step. Right? Beep, ba, da, ba, ba, da, da, ba, hey, ba, ba, da, ba, hey, ba, ba, ba. We're talking about leaders. You gotta get to that left foot, and it's about leading with the hips. Just the one side, not the both side.
We worked on that bunch, and then we gave another little variation to followers on 3 and 4. That kind of helped with that rotation.
This one. I'll show you what side. Hey.
Oh. Snap.
Snap. Hey.
Works pretty well to faster tempo. So you can try that. You did try that, and it was great.
And we'll see you for more stuff next week.